Baytown, Texas with this giant transformer that Zeus has delivered to one of their customers. Can you tell us a little bit more about this project, how this transformer came to be, and what it is doing here in Baytown?
Sure. We are at TGS here in Baytown. It's the largest industrial park in the country, and we're at their newly constructed DC4 distribution center. It's over 1 million square feet.
That's huge.
It is enormous.
A lot to power.
Yes.
Why would a customer go with Zeus for sourcing their transformer versus, say, the utility company who's connecting it for them?
Mostly it's because of the timeline. The utility company themselves, they're looking at 10 to 12 months.
For lead time.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's just not fast enough for the speed of business today. We go with our OEMs, we're able to deliver in 12 to 14 weeks.
Okay, that is a lot shorter.
There's a long waiting list.
Well, because you have to kind of get in line if you want it from, say, the utility provider. You have to almost wait your turn versus if you go private, then you can go directly to the manufacturer, get your transformer, and get your project online faster, and that's what your customer did in this case.
Exactly. Yes, and we check with the utility company, it's vetted and approved, so when we're ready to energize, they're able to make the connection just like they would if they were supplying the transformer themselves.
Okay, because it's not like you could just pick any transformer, you have to actually get one, get their engineers to approve it with your engineers, and then once the project is good to go, you get it made, delivered, and now it is here. This is from INATRA, so a few weeks back we did an interview with INATRA asking them how can they get their transformers shipped so quickly, and a lot of it was attributed to their manufacturing process, having raw materials on hand.
We manufacture as we go, but we do stock the raw goods for manufacturing the transformers and also the accessories. We have more than a year worth of inventory, so that lets us work without depending on our suppliers.
Companies appreciate being able to get their projects online faster, especially here. As you guys will see, this is a huge empty manufacturing facility. They cannot get their project started until they have power. So in order to actually get started, they need transformers, they need power connected, and so this is the very early stages in getting a new facility set up. So it's important that we stay on the timeline so that the customer can stay on the timeline. If you guys are in a similar situation where either you're out and you're planning ahead and you want to get your transformer spec'd in, or maybe you're in a bit of a pinch and you have an existing facility needing a transformer, Zeus, they can help you guys out with that. So Patrick, if somebody needs a transformer, how can they reach you?
You can reach us through our website, ZeusTX.com. You can also contact me personally through LinkedIn or directly from the website as well.
All right, well, if you guys need a transformer, now you know who to reach out to. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.